Today's video, I'll be showing you on how to give credit to music on YouTube the correct way. So let's hop straight into the video. Now, there are so many videos out there on so many different ways to go about doing this. So let's just cut to the chase. There really is only one way to do this. According to YouTube guidelines, the best way to give credit to other videos is by mentioning the creator's channel name and video title directly in your video description, ideally with the link to the original video. This way you can ensure full transparency and allow viewers to easily access the source material if they want to learn more. So let me show you what this should look like. First, head on over to YouTube Studio. Then tap on the video that you would like to give credit towards. Now, what I like to do is put a line underneath my video description to separate everything. I just feel like it looks so much cleaner. Now, underneath that, type in video credit link. Now let's go find our image that we used. So I love using Freepik because it's a great site with just so many images to choose from. And it's free, so long as you give credit. This is the image that I used for my last video. And Freepik makes it really simple for you. So head on over to where it says attribution required and tap on that. Now, because I use this image for my video, I'll tap on video and click copy link. Let's head back on over to YouTube and paste your link in the description. It should look something like this. And if you're still not sure if you're giving credit the right way, remember these key points whenever giving credit to any video. Be specific. Include the creator's channel name and the exact video title that you're referencing. Provide a link. Always link directly to the original video in the description so viewers can easily navigate to it. And last but not least, it never hurts to give verbal credit. If appropriate, you can also verbally mention the creator's name in your video while discussing the content you're referencing. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye, guys. That was long.